Most people buy a juicer, use it for a week, and then never touch it again. So please watch this video till the end because I'll show you which juicer is truly worth your money and which one is the best overall. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best juicers based on juice quality, ease of use, cleaning, motor performance, and everyday value for US households. Let's start with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 6.5-inch cold-pressed juicer. This cold-pressed juicer features a 6.5-inch extra-large feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep. It's designed for high juice yield and simple cleanup, making it ideal for beginners. Review highlights. This juicer is all about convenience. It's perfect for busy mornings when you want fresh juice without spending time chopping ingredients. Pros: large 6.5-inch feed chute, high juice yield, simple and beginner-friendly, easy to clean. Number 4. Juicer with 3 filters. This model comes with 3 interchangeable filters for juice, sorbet, and nut milk. The 6-inch wide mouth hopper and self-feeding hands-free design make it a strong choice for family use or gatherings. Review highlights. If versatility matters to you, this juicer stands out. It's built for making more than just juice and handles larger batches smoothly. Pros: 3-in-1 functionality, self-feeding design, great for family-size servings, upgraded motor for stable performance. Number 3. Ninja NeverClog. The Ninja NeverClog is powered by a slow juicing system with total pulp control and 2 pulp settings. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and designed to handle tough ingredients without clogging. Review highlights. This is a reliable, well-balanced juicer from a trusted brand. It's ideal for daily juicing with consistent results and minimal maintenance. Pros: NeverClog slow juicing technology, adjustable pulp control, dishwasher-safe parts, compact countertop design. Number 2. 3-in-1 cold-pressed juicer. This juicer features a massive 10-ounce capacity, a powerful AC motor, and a 6.5-inch feed chute. It handles juice, nut milk, and sorbet with ease, making it great for larger households. Review highlights. If you juice in bulk or for multiple people, this machine delivers power, capacity, and convenience at a very attractive price point. Pros: extra-large 6.5-inch feed chute, 100-ounce large capacity, strong AC motor, multi-function design. Number 1. Canoly C16 Juicer. Taking the top spot is the Canoly C16 Juicer, featuring a 6-inch extra-wide feed chute, 3-in-1 strainers, and a powerful AC brushless motor. Its self-pre-cut system reduces prep time while maintaining excellent juice quality. Review highlights. This juicer combines premium build quality, versatility, and ease of use. It's designed for people who want high-quality juice every day without hassle. Pros: powerful brushless AC motor, 3-in-1 strainers for juice, sorbet, and nut milk. Self-pre-cut system saves time, BPA-free and premium design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, here's the best juicer on this list. The Canoly C16 cold-pressed juicer is the best overall juicer thanks to its powerful motor, wide feed chute, versatile strainers, and excellent juice quality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.